Hey everyone, we're back and better than ever. Today we're taking our social media manager to the next level. We're adding image and video uploads, hosting, management, and post scheduling. This update lays the foundation for our full SaaS platform and sets us up for even bigger features ahead. So buckle up, let's dive in and start building. Hey everybody, we're back with part 2 of our social media application that I'm calling Social Streamline, and we are going to start with the composer and actually being able to upload images to AirShare. In the last episode, we tried to use the image URL, but we had trouble with that, even though I'm pretty sure it should have been a public URL, image URL, but we're moved past that. We're now going to go into dropping files into the media upload, and we're able to do that now because we have upgraded our social media API that we are using with AirShare. So now with this more premium plan, which is a bit pricey at $149, but they have a lot of great APIs. You guys got to check it out. Check out their documentation here. It really does do a lot for us. So we're going to do the upload image and video. Okay, so the agent says it's done with that change. Let's grab an image here. Do a game monument post as I often do. Okay. Oh boy. Okay. All right. We dropped it in there and we crashed the whole thing. I can't even open up the console. Oh boy. Do we just want to dump this right to the agent? So let's see what happens. All right, so the AI switched to base 64 encoding instead of doing it through form data. It looks like, I guess that's better for Node.js to be able to do that. Node.js is a JavaScript framework that typically deals with networking. So let's try our image upload now. Drop it over here, grinding away. Oh yeah, uploaded successfully. That's great. Let's still look at the console. Okay, we got 200s. That's great. So HTTP status of 200 is a successful status. That is what you are looking for. So we can look at here at the upload. So 200 success. We should get JSON back like that. So that is cool. Okay, so we have LinkedIn selected. We've got our post content. We dropped our images here. It actually got rid of that field when I dropped it in there. That's the URL field. That's not a big deal. Let's hit post now. Console here. Okay, publish 200. Awesome. Let's go back to our posts. Go back to my profile. Was plunking on LinkedIn while I was waiting for, yep, and there it is. Awesome. So in my next prompt, I am actually adding in a URL to the documentation that we are dealing with, which is the upload large media files. So I have that prompt ready to go here. And I also put in some other limitations, which it could get that from the URL, but I wanted to put that in nice. So we have the example code, and then we have the example return, which is pretty simple. Again, it's just the URLs and the content type and all of that. So let's send that in. Let's see how it does. Hopefully the upload video works good out of the gate, but I expect it to be a little bit dicey, especially with what we dealt with images. Okay, the upload is done. It says it was successful and did in about 114 seconds. Honestly, that's pretty good for an upload. And let's try posting it. I imagine this will take a little bit of time. It's going to be linking to this file via a URL that it should be in its own S3 bucket of some kind, meaning a file storage bucket of some kind. So I hit refresh here on our posts, on our database. So this is taking a little bit of time. May have to do a little bit of UX on this to make sure that, I mean, this is good. These spinners are good, but we may need to do a little bit more UX on what the user should see, and maybe it locks down the interface a little bit, kind of grayed out. So I can't like hit other buttons. Can't hit the post button again, so that's good. So, but I just think monkeying around with this UI while it's doing the posting may be a bad idea to allow users to do that. So that's something else that we can do. Okay, it says published right here. That's just something really to kind of be aware of when you're building out products. So let's go back to LinkedIn. That's how we do it around here. We do everything live. So there's the post. That is awesome. Guys, I'm super excited about this functionality. This is so great. And we have LinkedIn selected. We have our text. We have our image. So let's schedule that post. And the post has been scheduled. And take a look at this. Our calendar. It jumps us over to the content calendar. And it actually has it listed here. Well, I had a lot of fun today as we made a bunch of progress in today's episode. In the next one, we will continue adding in features that enable us to save time and manage our social media in a way that we want to do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.